Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sherry and I am your TheSZMommy, and today I would like to show you how I make the Oreo Lollipops, which is perfect to add on your candy buffets on your kids' party or baby showers. So here are the things that we need. I would like to use the semi-sweet chocolate chips because for me, the Oreo filling is already sweet. And of course, our Oreo cookie, 1/3 cup of whole milk, and this is our cake pop sticks or the treat sticks, and we also have this treat bags, and this 3/8" ribbon. So here's how to do it. First is we have to separate the cookie. And then we're gonna make a small amount of ganache by mixing the milk and the chocolate chip, and then heat it up in the microwave for at least 30 seconds. Now after heating in the microwave for 30 seconds, so we'll just give it a good mix until the chocolate chip will be completely melted, and the consistency becomes a little bit pasty. So once we achieve this kind of consistency, now we would use this ganache to stick or to glue our treat sticks to the cookie, as you can see in the video. So once we are ready to sandwich the stick with the cookies, press the cookie together with the stick inside of it, and make sure to do this carefully so that your cookie will not break. So after doing this step with all your cookies and your treat sticks, then you might want to leave this under room temperature for about 5 minutes. I am now doing the double boiler setup to melt in my chocolate. So I boiled in water, and then once the pot is hot, then I'm gonna pour in my milk. Then add my chocolate chip. And keep stirring it until the consistency becomes thin or a little bit liquidy. So at this time, I already adjusted the heat from medium to low, medium to low, because you don't want to burn your chocolate. And once our chocolate is looking like this, so ready for the next part. And so we are now on the fun part. So just grab one of your Oreo lollipop and just enjoy coating the Oreo with your melted chocolate or your ganache. So once the chocolate becomes thick and heavy, just go ahead and reheat it under your double boiler setup. And put this in the fridge for overnight. Now here are the Oreo lollipops straight from the fridge. So I'm just gonna take it off from the parchment paper like so, and then grab my treat bags, and the purpose of this is to cover the Oreo lollipops. Now once done, grab your string or your ribbon and use it as an enclosure for your treat bags. You can be creative at this part, guys. And we're done! You can now enjoy your Oreo lollipops, or you can give this as a gift, just like what I did for my neighbor's daughter's party. Let me know what you think about this video, guys, and I would love to see that in the comment section below. Have a great day!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.